All right, we did box and whisker plots, we did histograms. Now we're going to talk about cumulative frequency graphs, how to draw a cumulative frequency graph, sorry, not a graph, on the TI Inspire. So we're going to do it with this question. So the first thing you obviously have to do in order to get the cumulative frequency graph is get the numbers that you need. So we're going to look at this. This is a score on an exam, and it's groups of 10, and then we're going to have our cumulative frequency. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to our TI Inspire, and we're going to first of all ask it to give us a new document if you don't already have a blank screen. So we're going to go File, New Document. We're not going to save our old one, and we're going to add, whoops, I want to add our list and spreadsheet. So we're going to put score in our column, and we're going to put our frec over here, frequency. And in this case, we're going to put it the higher number, the 20, the 30, the 40, up to 100. So because as we look at the numbers, we don't know what they are, the cumulative frequency numbers, but we know that once we get to 2, we have them less than 20, and we know there's 7 less than 30, and so on. So we're going to just type our frequency as our cumulative frequency in here, and there we go. Once we have it in there, we're going to go to Document, Insert, and our Data and Statistics. Now, I already hit that, so I'm not going to do it again, but you're going to hit that, and this should pop up. Oh, I got to go up there. And then you're going to click down here, and we're going to put score down here, and we're going to click up here, and we're going to put frequency, and it will draw for us our cumulative frequency graph, all right? And then what we can do, if you go to the menu and plot properties, you can ask it to connect the data points. So it gives you your sort of cumulative frequency graph. Now, as you look at the cumulative frequency graph, you can then read things off of the scale. If you push down anywhere, whoops, you will actually see the point. So if you're looking for a value, you can sort of click on there, and it gives you an idea of where it is. It's not perfect, but it's what we can do. We can't actually get it to draw anything like a curve in here. We can ask it to do a regression, but we're not going to do that. So that's your cumulative frequency graph. That's how you draw it. And then it's just a matter of using that to answer questions. So you can go down here, and we already did this question, but as you read it off of here, you can read it off the calculator instead. It just gives you an idea of the cumulative frequency graph.